This car has a problem with the AC. AC is leaking. So today we are going to remove the dashboard, as you see. We are going to do this work slowly because these new cars they have complicated parts to remove. So you have to take time. So today you can start with this steering. You see the steering have the lock. Remove this airbag. See BMW 2020. But to remove this airbag, there's a lock inside here. As you see, this hole. You have to get the screwdriver to push inside. There's a lock, and this side. If you push there, this airbag will come out so that you can remove this steering. Another one, this cluster. To remove this cluster, you have to remove this console here. You open this one. After opening also this side, you open again. You remove this cover here. So there's two screws inside this cluster. Call this one the LCD cluster. So you have to be careful when you are opening. Another issue, this one already open, only just pull out. It's coming. This there are 4 screws here. This gear lever. Just remove these 2 screws. 3, 4 screws. This 2, this side also 2. So you remove that one upside. Another one, you have these screws here. Because if to remove this dashboard, you have to first remove this center console box here. You have to first remove this one so that you can get the space to open. If you don't remove this one, you can't remove this dashboard. So also you have this center LCD. That one you have 2 screws. After opening this one, there is 2 screws inside. When you remove, it will come out. So we are going to work as you see. So guys, these are two screws. I told you, if to open this cover, you have to remove these two screws, this one and this one. I already opened them, so it will be easy to remove it. As you see now, it's coming out. You get me? So here also, those was the two screws here. This cluster now is open. You see now, but you have to be careful because this is LCD. It can break anytime. So the next step now, we are going to remove what?